What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford F-150 remote key fob. This Ford F-150 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here that the end of the key's on. What I'm going to do is take my key and push it in the notch like that. Make sure it's as far pushed in as it can be. And then I'm going to angle it up like this and push up on this back cover and pop that back cover off. And it can take a good amount of pressure to get that off of there. But once we get that off, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, or even something like with a point on it will work. It just needs to fit in this notch right here. So I'll get underneath that notch, underneath the battery in that notch, and pop the battery out of that holder. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this outer edge in first like this, then snap the battery into place. Grab the back cover, and you can see there's this little tab right here on the back cover. I'm going to slide that tab in first up top like this. Slide that in, then snap that cover down into place. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.